Hey guys, welcome back to the channel. Well, we got a ton of rain here the last 3 days, just over 100 millimeters of rain. As you can see, our pond is nice and full. Some people that don't live up here on the mountain, what we call the Mountain Hope, they got a little bit too much rain and their basement's flooded, unfortunately, including my parents, but we did get that sorted out. Anyways, I'm gonna head out back to the cabin, enjoy the day, put a fire on, mess around, and just chill out in the woods. So, come hang out. Man, did we get a lot of rain. Check out this. My road has turned into a river. We've got a culvert over here. It goes over one of our roads. It seems to be plugged. And I don't have my rubber boots on. But it is overflowing, going back over the road. So I think what I'm going to try and do is put a stick up through that culvert, see if I can release that water. That's better. There's a natural spring. It's constantly running on this property. One thing I haven't done, believe it or not, since we bought this place, is figure out exactly where that spring comes from. Yeah. I think this is the start that I just showed you guys. Starts off in just a little trickle. Awesome. I don't think that squirrel's very happy. Well, we're on our way back to the cabin. Looks like our road's starting to undermine from all that rain. That squirrel's really not happy. Well, let's go check the trail cams. There's not a lot of birch trees in this area. I want to try and collect some more birch bark. It's a renewable resource. Every year, tree sheds a little bit more. This one here, I think it's a little wet, but even wet, this stuff goes up. Now this is truly what we want. So you can get large sections. And this one is ideal. We got a bit of a late winter this year down here, but this stuff is awesome to have. It's very wet, damp here today. So I figured I'd get a fire going to see if we can get some stuff dried out. Well, there's just something about the sound of rain on a tin roof on an old cabin. I don't think it really gets any more peaceful than this. Got a few more things I want to do out here at the cabin. Kind of mess around, stay warm, stay dry. So a few weeks back, I picked up a couple flags I want to put out here at the cabin. The first one is a flag for Ontario. And the second one is a flag for New Brunswick. I was born and raised in Ontario. I was there for, 45 years. But every summer we'd come down here to New Brunswick, because this is where my mother was originally from, to visit our grandparents. So New Brunswick's always held my heart, and Ontario's always been my home. There's a cool saying, it was actually on a mug or a shirt, I can't remember, but I'm going to pick it up here. It says, living in New Brunswick with roots from Ontario. And if I can find that, I'm actually going to put it in this clip. because it is a Saturday, and why not? Well, it's raining pretty good in there, so just have a coffee inside the cabin. Hot. Whew. Well, guys, that's it for me. Thanks very much for tuning in. I'm going to hang out here for a little while without moving this camera thing around for a while. I enjoy these videos. I hope you guys do too. If you haven't subscribed, go for it. Until the next video, you take care of yourself. We'll see you later.